My name is Mann. I work for Bucci Developments and I help with the customer service and operations side of things here. Today we're at our Garden Drive building in Vancouver, BC. We're going through and doing our developer inspections of our suites just to make sure that we're hitting our quality mark for when we turn over our building to our valued homeowners. All right guys, come on in. We're doing a developer inspection at this stage in our projects. We like to come through once all our trades have finished up their work, their scope, and we go through and do our final comb through our suites to make sure that we've hit those standards that we try to build to. So our kind of purpose here today is to make sure that we're finding anything that may have not really hit that mark. We note it for a visual representation, and then we come through, we make a list of that, we transcribe that list and send it to our site supervisors as well as our trusted trade partners. And then we get them back in through to do that final polish on our suites. Once we're done all this, we'll come through, do a final clean, and we can kind of say that this suite is ready to be shown to our future homeowners. Right here, we're just taking a look at our fridge and our cabinetry that we have, our shelves right beside it. So what we want to do with our shelves and not our shelves, but our drawers is make sure that we're all level and they're adjusted properly within that 1/8 of an inch spacing. So right on these guys, we have a bigger gap than here. Same with the sides, they're not quite adjusted yet. So we can see that final adjustments haven't taken place on these guys right here. So we'll get our guys back in to do those. Same with our fridge and freezer panels. These guys are a bit of a beast because they're fastened to the front of the actual fridge. So in adjusting these panels, a little more inclusive, but again, we're gonna measure, get everything within that 1/8 of an inch and our spacing and gaps, and then it'll be looking nice and proper. Little pin nails here. Generally those will get filled, but they got one side, missed the other. So close, so close. That's why we do it. Again, spacing, spacing, spacing. A lot of people going through them, and so they don't always catch everything. And we understand that. That's why we come through after and just put that final set of eyes, because no matter how many people you put through a unit, everybody will see something a little differently than the next person. If I'm ever in a space, I'll look at the function and finish, and I'll definitely kind of throw my eyes on it just to kind of compare it to what we put out here at Bucci, which is quite a high quality compared to average. Beautiful. Needs a few little touches here and there, but we're pretty much there in here.